start again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So just a quick one today. I wasn't going to record this, but I'm recording it because at the time I watch it, it'll all change now by the time I get the video out. But it was really cheap on Amazon, so I thought I'll do a quick video on it. So this is just a Modelones Ideal Gel Polish Beginner Kit. So it's one of these little kits that comes with gel polishes, top coat, base coat, tools, lamps, exactly that. It's a starter beginner kit. So I'm going to open it and see what you get in it. So it comes in a bag, it doesn't come in a box or anything. So let's have a nosy at it. These are brilliant for someone that's literally just starting out and wants to do just gel polish manicure at home, because they're not cheap anymore. To go to a salon and just get your nails painted with a gel, it ain't cheap. So it comes with your manual, tells you everything you need to know, how to prep your nails, how to apply the gel, and then how to remove them. And then you always get Q&As and helpful tips and stuff and warnings. Brilliant. So we've got that. So let's have a look at all the tools first. So we've got another little baggy jobbo here. So let's bring you in a bit now. So this comes with some little nail clippers. Cute. We've got a little nail brush, black one. And then we've got your little, this is your cuticle thing. It gets rid of all that skin from around there. And then we've got your cuticle pusher and scraper. Bit too far in now, aren't you? Right, then we've got a buffer. That's more of a shiner. And this is your buffer, 100, 180. I do like Modelones files and buffers, actually, I always have. So that's your tools. And we've got a cuticle oil. Let's see what scent it is. So it is, oh, it doesn't tell you. Oh, it smells like strawberry. So you've got a cuticle oil. So then we have got your gels. So we've got your top and your base coat. Oh, they're a good size. They are 10ml. I like Modelones top coat. A good one. Glass bottles. Ingredients on the back. Brilliant. And this kit comes with 6 colours. And they're like nudie pink colours. So I'll start with the lightest. And then we'll go through to the darkest. We'll give these a quick swatch anyway. So these are 7ml. They've got the little window there. And they've got numbers on. So if you wanted to buy these as a single colour, I think that's what number you'd have to look for. So this is just a nice pale creamy colour. And then this one. This looks like my kind of nude. Yeah, I use these kind of nudes a lot as base colours. And then this one. So this is a bit of a peachy kind of pink, isn't it? I like it. And then this one. Oh, this is like a nude, like a deep kind of peach colour. A couple of these would have been good for autumn as well, I think. These last two have been good for autumn. Oh, that's like a tree trunk, bit lighter than a tree trunk brown, isn't it? And then this one. This one's like, oh, a dark brown. Right, we've also got a little lamp. Oh, I like this. The box is matte, but the lamp is shiny. Can you see that? I like that. So, yeah, this is just your USB little mini lamp. Oh, oopsie. I don't think this will be going in my giveaway box. It's going to be broke. Oh, that's cute. I like it. So yeah, I like this. It's got the legs. I can never open these. I can never bloody open them. What can I use without breaking it? Once you've opened them once, they kind of loosen off a bit then. I like these little mini lamps that have got the holes in the legs, so you don't have to have it stood up. You can just hover it over your nails like that, or you can have it stood up. Isn't that cute? I like it. Right, so shall we give these gels a little swatch, see what these colours are saying? Right, I'm just going to use these little swatchy things. I haven't got any stiletto swatch sticks left, but these will do. So I'm going to start with the lightest one. I've got the lids off all them ready to go. So yeah, let's give them a swatch. So this is 0594. I do like Modelones gel polishes. I always have. They've always been nice gels. They really are. If anyone doing the nails at home, DIY, home users, asked me what is one of the best, like, kind of budget gels to buy, I'd always point them in Modelones' direction. Because, yeah, they are nice, affordable, good quality gels. And they're very opaque. Look at that for one coat. That's a very pale, creamy colour, isn't it? So I'm going to cue these in the lamp for 30 seconds. So let's just do one more with you and then I'll fly through them. So we've got 0274. This is a nice base nude colour. I like it. Yeah, I like that a lot. Very opaque, very creamy. I don't like these swatch sticks. They are ugly. Oh shit. Right, I'm going to stick some music on now, guys, and just fly through these last four. I'll top coat them and then I'll show you. Right guys, so that is them all swatched. That is all the colours there. This is the top coat, the glossy top coat that I've used. They're all just one coat. They're just super nice, creamy gels to use, Modelones. I really, really like them. Really, really nice set of nudes, isn't it? That top coat's super glossy as well. Yeah, I think it's a really, really cute beginner kit, isn't it? I'd have loved a kit like this when I first started. Yeah. And I think they've got these in different colour choices. I think you can get like the pink version. I think there's a couple of different choices of gels, I think. But yeah, anyway guys, that is it for today. Just a quick one. So just a quick recap. That's the colours that it comes with. You get all your little cuticle tools and stuff. And your little mini lamp. So yeah, I'll leave links below. This was off Amazon. I think it might be on their website as well. I'll leave links below with my discount code. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.